So yun guys, magandang gabi. Ito na naman si Teacher Christian para sa ating daily math habits. Subukan natin tong problem na to. A coin and a 2 dice are rolled and a repetition is allowed. How many combinations can be made? Pag sinabi natin nagmaganitong problem, we're talking about probability. And probability means possibility. Ilang posibleng kombinasyon kaya ang mabubuo natin pag ni-roll natin ang coin at dalawang dice. May dalawang method tayo dyan guys, listing method and fundamental counting principle. For listing method, ilista lang natin manually lahat. For the coin, pwedeng head or tail. Then yung unang dice, syempre 6 na faces yan, 1 to 6. Then bawat face nun, pwede pang mai-combine sa 6 na faces ng pangalawang dice. So all in all, pag nilista natin yan, 36 para sa head, and 36 for the tail. So that would give us 72. Medyo mahaba-haba, no? Pero pag fundamental counting principle, ito yung parang pinaka-shortcut niya, systematic way. Ayan. So since ang head natin ay dalawang faces lang yan, head or tail, so dalawang possibility. Ayan, yung dalawang dice, tig-6, 1 to 6 pareho. Gamitin natin lahat yan dahil pwede naman ang repetition. Multiply lang natin yung tatlo. 2 times 6 times 6, 72. Got it?